How to fix all videos saying video unavailable on YouTube 2026 guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the video unavailable error on YouTube for all videos. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. If every video shows video unavailable, don't worry, this is usually caused by app issues, network problems, or account settings. Method 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then try playing a video again. Method 2. Restart the app. Close YouTube completely from recent apps, then reopen it and try again. Method 3. Clear cache, most effective fix. Go to your phone settings, then Apps, then YouTube. Tap on Storage and Cache. Now click Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files causing the error. Method 4. Update YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update. Method 5. Check date and time settings. Go to Settings, then Date and Time. Turn on Automatic Date and Time. Incorrect time settings can block video playback. Method 6. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. Sometimes YouTube restricts playback due to region mismatch. Method 7. Sign out and sign back in. Go to your account settings. Sign out from YouTube, then sign back in. This refreshes your account session. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the video unavailable on all videos on YouTube quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!